I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes. First, set your source device volume to maximum and disable any volume limit or headphone safety feature. This ensures the signal reaching the AirPods is full strength. Next, clean the speaker mesh carefully with a soft brush. Grime reduces output significantly. Once done, place both AirPods in the charged case to guarantee they have enough power. Make sure your iPhone is nearby so firmware or settings can be applied immediately and reliably. Now, you move to reset and recalibration. Forget the AirPods from your device Bluetooth list, restart your phone to clear cached audio settings, and enable Bluetooth again. Open the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white to perform a full reset. This clears corrupted profiles that lower volume. When you repair, test using local files and streaming at high quality so you confirm volume restored across codecs. Make sure mono/stereo balance is centered in accessibility settings. Finish by ensuring firmware parity and checking device audio routing. Update your phone and let the AirPods firmware install. Firmware mismatches can throttle output, so make sure both sides are current. Then, verify accessibility settings. Center the left-right audio balance and turn off mono or any hearing accommodations that lower perceived volume. If you still hear low output, connect the AirPods to a different phone or computer. This isolates whether the problem is with the AirPods hardware or the original device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.